So hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Drusty and my all videos are related to skincare, makeup, hair care, lifestyle and whatnot. So if you don't have subscribed my channel, so please first subscribe my channel, press the bell icon to see the first notification of my videos. Going to share a makeup tutorial, a wedding guest makeup or a traditional look makeup under 5 minutes. The duration of makeup is less than 5 minutes and it gives you a glam look. So without any further ado, let's get started. So yes, this is my mini makeup tutorial जो आपको अच्छा लगा हो. If you like this video, so share this video with your female friends and family. So please like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such videos. Bye. See you in the next video.